Hey there! Welcome to my channel. It's time to talk about one of the most popular actresses of all time, Jennifer Aniston. You might know her as Rachel from the iconic TV show Friends, but did you know that there was one role that almost ruined her career? Yes, that's right. We're talking about Leprechaun, the 1993 horror film in which Jennifer made her big screen debut. The movie was about a killer leprechaun who goes on a rampage after his gold is stolen, and Jennifer played the lead female character. Unfortunately, the film was critically panned, and many people thought it was downright silly. But let's not dwell on the negatives. Even though a Leprechaun wasn't a huge success, it did open doors for Jennifer in the entertainment industry. Soon after, she landed her breakthrough role as Rachel Green in Friends, and the rest is history. Jennifer has since become one of the most sought-after actresses in Hollywood, and her talent and beauty are undeniable. She starred in numerous films, won multiple awards, and has become a household name all around the world. And you know what's even more impressive? Despite the fact that Leprechaun wasn't a critical success, Jennifer still has a great sense of humor about it. In interviews, she's joked about the film, and even poked fun at it in a memorable episode of Friends. So, the moral of the story is this: don't let one bad role define your career. Jennifer Aniston is proof that if you keep working hard and believing in yourself, success will come your way. Thanks for tuning in to today's video, everyone. We hope you enjoyed learning more about Jennifer Aniston and her journey in the entertainment industry. Let us know in the comments below if you have a favorite Jennifer Aniston movie or TV show. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. We'll see you in the next one.